In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to integrate the Ostorlab security scanner into your Bitrise pipeline. The first step is to generate an API key. Click the menu button, go to the library, select API key, then click New API Key to create your key. In your Bitrise pipeline, add a script step where you install Ostorlab using pip install. Then, run your scan command. Make sure to integrate your API key and any other optional attributes into the command. Go to Secret section and add the API key that you obtained from the platform. Then you can go to the Environment Variable section to add the variables that you use in your script for the scan commands. After that, you can go back to your workflow and click the Run button to execute it. This guide covered the steps required to effectively use Ostorlab Security Scanner into your Bitrise pipelines.